This is not just any car. For enthusiasts like myself, it's a dream turned reality. A vision that took over 300 hours of meticulous labor and passion to bring to life. It's not merely about the mechanics. It's about the journey of finding the right parts, fitting them perfectly, and overcoming the endless challenges along the way. My name is William. This is my 1993 BMW E30 Touring Design Edition with an S54 engine swap. I've always had a soft spot for station wagons. The E30 chassis, in my opinion, is the best one that BMW have ever made. Combining this with the S54 engine has made something truly special. The road to restoration is often filled with trials and errors. The most nerve-wracking moment, turning the key for the first time and hearing nothing. Months of work can be undone by something as trivial as a bad ground contact. Hearing the engine for the first time was indescribable. It was a culmination of all those late nights and moments of doubt finally paying off. Driving this car is like a dream. The perfect blend of 80s aesthetics and modern performance. Every drive is a journey back in time, with the added thrill of a high-revving, naturally aspirated engine. The carboner box that have been made specifically for this car makes a really unique intake sound. It's like these little touches that make this car really special. It's not just about the car. It's about the community, the shared passion, and the stories that come with every build. I'd say to anyone considering a similar project, be prepared for a pretty long journey. It wasn't an easy task at all, but in the end, it was so rewarding starting the car for the first time. In the end, it's not just about the car. It's about the memories, the hard work, and the love that makes it truly priceless. The process of restoration wasn't just about the physical labor, but the emotional journey that came with it. Every part, every bolt, every modification had a story. I'm really proud of what this car represents. It's a combination of my passion for cars, especially BMWs, and mechanical engineering as well, and also the countless hours of making this car perfect will always be a memory for me.